How to set up slow mode in Discord channels. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Discord account. Then click on the server on the left side. After you've clicked on the server, you'll find all the channels pop up. Simply click on the gear icon beside the channel. After you click on the gear icon, which is edit channel, you will find this kind of screen. In here, click on overview on the left side. After that, you can scroll down and click on slow mode. After you click on slow mode, you'll find options from 5 seconds to 30 minutes to 6 hours. Select the one you prefer. After you've selected, press on Save Changes at the bottom. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to set up slow mode in Discord channel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.